Hello Nokomis neighbors, Nate Lansing here. Happy 2020. It's February. We just got 6 inches of snow yesterday, but although it doesn't feel like it, the spring housing market is already here. We've seen quite a bit of activity jump up since the beginning of the year. A lot more houses are hitting the market. Buyer activity is up and strong. But let's take a look at the numbers for January, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what's going on right now. So in the month of January, there were 39 new listings, up significantly from where we were in December and 18. That's pretty typical. December is a pretty slow listing month with the holidays and winter, so it's not a surprise. But we have seen quite a bit of jump in listings over the past month or so. As of today, February 10th, there are 32 active listings in all of Nokomis. That is not a high number. There is, once again, an inventory issue here in the Nokomis area. Days on market. Well, you can see this funny days on market number, up 42 days on market. That is definitely a statistical anomaly. Must have been some weird thing going on in January. What we're seeing right now basically is that houses that are priced correctly, getting on the market right now, that are priced kind of in that starter home range, anything from 200 to 300, they are selling extremely fast and are selling many times with multiple offers. I've been involved in a multiple offer situation countless times already since the beginning of the year. The median price for the Nokomis area for January was up again, another all-time high. It is now at $295,000 for the median price in the Nokomis area. Month supply is at 0.6, which is down once again. That is if you took all the current houses that are on the market, divided it by the number of sales, it would tell you how quickly everything would sell out if we had no more new listings. That's basically 2 weeks. So that means it is an extremely strong seller's market right now. One of the reasons it's a really strong seller's market right now is that mortgage rates are, again, really, really low. I checked this morning, the Freddie Mac number for the 30-year interest mortgage is 3.45%. That is historically low. So buyer demand has been very strong because mortgage rates are really low right now. Another thing that's driving this seller's market is lack of inventory. I know I've been saying this for 3 years, but there is a severe lack of inventory in the Nokomis area. We're just not seeing that many houses on the market. Buyers don't have much to choose from, and prices are being driven up just because of lack of supply. So what this means for you as a buyer or a seller. If you're a seller, it's a great time to put your house on the market. There are no houses out there for sale, and buyer demand is very strong, especially in that lower price range, which we would consider a starter home in this area. If you're a buyer, all I can say is interest rates are low, money is cheap. It's a good time to look to buy. You just got to be patient and hang in there, and be prepared to if you really like something to really go after it, because the competition is stiff out there. So as we go into the rest of 2020, I expect to see inventory continue to go up as we go into the more traditional spring market. But if you are thinking of selling, now is a great time to do it. Once again, if you have any questions about what's going on in the housing market in the Nokomis area, please feel free to reach out to me. You're thinking of buying or selling or both, remodeling, anything like that, I'd be happy to help any way I can. And I will be back next month with another update as we get more in the middle of the spring housing market. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and I will see you again next month. Bye.